What's up guys, Smokekingsteve here, and I'm going to be making bacon again. I'm going to be using my own curing mix today. I'm not going to be using any curing salt in it. It's simply going to be salt and brown sugar. So what I've got here is I've mixed up a quarter cup of brown sugar and a tablespoon and a half of salt. I've mixed it up and I'm going to be applying it to the pork belly now. And then we're going to be placing it in a Ziploc bag and doing the whole waiting game with the bacon again. So this time I'm only going to be waiting 5 days before I smoke it because I'm going to be quite impatient. Well, before I do, I'll just chop that bit off. Get rid of that. Okay, so what I've done to this pork belly, I've just trimmed it up pretty much as I can, as best as I could. I've scored the skin, as you can see. Sorry, not the skin, but the fat. The skin was taken off by my butcher. I bought this at the butcher's pantry. Lovely guys there. They'll help you out with whatever you need. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this cure. And that's how it looks. Okay guys, that really is it. Just take as much of the air out as I can. Seal it up. I'm done. Pork belly, which will be bacon. Bacon's in and smoking away. What a beautiful day in Sydney. Right guys, moment of truth. Gonna slice the bacon now and see how it looks inside. It smells so good. This way. Wow. Homemade bacon, guys. Look how perfect that is. Let's get a little slice. So yum. So good. Oh my god. I can't wait to fry this up tomorrow morning. You need to try this. Chloe, you definitely, it's very fatty though, that's the only thing. But far out, that is tasty as. My goodness. So bloody proud. I'm Smokekingsteve, thanks for watching.